I'm going to show you how you can download After Effects for free. Now, After Effects has a 7-day free trial, and when the 7-day free trial starts, you can download and use After Effects for free. In fact, if you go to Google and you search up After Effects and then free, right? After Effects free, and then you see on the most top page it'll be Adobe here, After Effects free download and free trial. And if you click on this, it'll redirect onto this site right here. Now again, it's in the name though, it's a free trial, so you'll get to download the app for free, but your use will be limited to 7 day. If you scroll down here, you can see this is what it will look like. It's a 7-day free trial, and then you'll get charged on your card, but then there's a 14-day money back guarantee. So on day 8, your trial will begin and you will be charged from your card. But if you don't like the app, you can get back the money on day 21. And if you go further than that, you can't get the money. So the trial is actually around 21 days. But again, on the 8th day, you actually get charged. But technically, you can still get back your money by day 21. But beyond that, you will be charged. If you want to download, you just have to tap on the start free trial. Now, on here, you do have to enter in credit card details and you will have to pick a plan, but again, you won't be charged. Now, if you go to continue here, let's just go to continue. Now, on continue, again, 7 days free, right? But you do need to have a Visa card or a MasterCard, whichever one you prefer. You can see I'm just going to tap on select this, right? Right now, Adobe stock, then standard asset for a month, and then it's a 7-day free trial. But you can see to now, it's 0, right? So you don't need to pay anything. And this is how you get a free trial or a free download on After Effects.